going on, guys? So we got a new box today, and it is a upside down Milwaukee vacuum. So let's open this up. So this is the accessory case that came with it. It's the first time I'm looking inside this. So let's see what we got. Wow, this is exciting, guys. We got silica gel. You know what I mean? That's exciting. No, but I guess there's nothing in this one, so we'll open up the bottom. And we got nothing here either. I'm guessing everything's in the box, guys. So, like, you guys should have known this. Alright, so I did cut the tape. Alright, so we got a heavy duty base. More cardboard. Hey guys, recycle, eh? Like, plastic. Got that. Got that. Very interesting. Okay. Got our power button. 1, 2 off. Okay, so there's a clip down here. You gotta clip it in. Guys, why are you looking up at the ceiling? Come on, guys. And then you push it down, and then it clips in right here. This is a pedal so that you can get it off easy enough. Okay. Right? Easy enough, right, guys? What do we always do? Take filter and throw it in the garbage. Why? Because we don't pick up dust. We pick up water. Goes like that. You know what, guys? You know what I figured out with this hose? It goes inside because we don't mess around. Of course it does. With two of these. Now these things here are supposed to go like this. Alright. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. We don't use these. Right? Maybe we can use one. Maybe we'll keep one, right? Just in case. Okay. The handle. We're going to keep these packs because apparently these things have some decent warranties. I'm not sure, so we'll look into that. Apparently you can use all types of M18 batteries. We got a few of these HD12s. You know what I mean? That's on blow. I don't understand. So we'll look into that. I want to thank you guys for watching. This has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. If you guys like the Milwaukee M18 vacuum, this is 6 gallon, 123 liters, not 123 liters. I'm stupid. 23 liters. It says right there, I just can't read properly. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, Trogna.